sometimes what happens is that some application require administrative privileges, especially if it want to access a system level option inside of Microsoft Windows. So let's say, for example, if I were to go to start menu right here and type in Notepad right here and open this up, it opens up normally right here. But many of the application, it might ask you to give it administrator privileges if it requires one. But what you can also do is you can give administrator privileges to normal apps like these as well. So for that, I'm going to type in Notepad right here, and to give this particular application administrative privileges so that it can edit out system files as well, you can right click over here and click on run as administrator. So once you click on this, what happens is that it actually asks you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, and it is giving you this warning because what happens is that if some system files changes out, then your computer is at risk. So you really want to be knowing what you're doing when you're giving an application an administrative privileges. If you don't know what you're using it for, and some application asks for administrative privileges and you don't know what it is for, it is better not to give it any access right here, because it might access some sensitive contents in your system. So over here, I'm just going to go around and press yes, and now you can see that the Notepad application normally starts up, but now it has the administrative privileges, so it can make changes to the system files. So that is how you can work around with administrative privileges and give administrative privileges to different applications inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.